Today is day 5 of the build, and we have come to our painter to give the chassis, the tank, all the rest of the stuff for painting. So let's get it. Yeah! Workout done! So Shubh, you're gonna pay up for the paint, huh?
Yeah.
Hey, touching the face you make.
Going to be expensive.
Hey.
This one will get extra paint.
So we are at the paint guy, Jitu. So if you guys have any paint work and stuff, you can give it to him. Look man, he does nice work dude. Look at this. Man. Okay, so we are now at our paint guy. All our stuff is over here. So our chassis, the front suspension, everything is over here. And I'll just show you a couple of cinematics of how it is, how the chassis is for paint. So yeah. Okay, so today is day 5 builds continuation. So we gave some stuff for painting, but there's a lot of stuff yet remaining. What has to go for paint and what has to go for chroming. So basically these two have to go for, first these two will be dismantled. So we have to remove the drum, we have to remove the spokes, we have to remove the rims, the tires. So completely disassembling these two. Then this has to go for paint to G2, and this stuff has to go for chroming. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff yet to be done, organized and all. So let's go. So basically we have to disassemble the tire first, and then give this for disassembly, and then give it all together for chroming. So so let's get them parts for chroming. Hey, let's go. Chroming. When we see these parts next, no, they'll be so glossy and finished. For chroming, Renav Engineering Works, Bicholim, Goa.